I have this Notion template that I'm using to track job applications. But something is annoying here. When I create a new property, I'm calling it special notes. It gives a default property, but I don't want a default property. I want this property to not exist by default. So how do I get rid of the default property? Well, here's a hack for you. You can change, let me find it here. It's type. Currently, it's set as the status type. Let's change it to multi-select. See, when I change it to multi-select, there is no default. And now I change it back from multi-select to status, and there is still no default. So that is how to get rid of a default on a new property in Notion.